Hi Global Class, and welcome to Mr. Germain's Canvas course. This video focuses on the third week, the French Revolution, and again you will have two assignments to complete. One is the reading and the questions, which you are going to click on both documents. Make sure to drag the French Revolution reading to one side, so that way you can have that in your view while you are working on the questions. The French Revolution is going to talk about the Estates General, when the revolution begins, the storming of the Bastille, and the National Assembly from 1789 to 1791. And so again, take that and drag it to one side of the computer. So that way you can open up the French Revolution questions. Make sure to click Enable Editing so you can type within that document and drag it to the other side. This way, as you're answering each of these questions, you can find the support or the answer within this document that you have over here. Once you have answered all of the questions, make sure to save the document to your desktop and submit the assignment. Then you're going to go back to the French Revolution and click on the document questionnaire. This is the one where you will be given a small document that you will answer 4 questions for. I give you a sentence starter that you can pull out of Canvas by clicking on the link. And the sentence starter helps to just explain a little bit better what it is that we are expecting you to answer in each question. So if you're looking at question number 1, it is asking for you to figure out what is the author's point of view. As you can tell, I've underlined and bolded point of view because that's the focus of this question. I want to know, what does the author say? The author's point of view was blah blah blah. Pull it from this little snippet that you've gotten from the document. And then you're going to continue to respond to each one. And as you can tell, each section has a specific statement started for you. Your goal is to finish off the sentence. Be careful on question number 4. You do have to make a statement. Is this source believable or is it not believable? And make sure you tell me why. Once you've gotten that document done, make sure you save it and submit it to Canvas. Good luck!